Raphael Citron again from Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. I have our Hyundai Santa Fe pulled up so you can see our size. This is our largest mid-size SUV of the three. Beautiful grille. We got the smart cruise control, LED headlights, premium alloy wheels, blind spot detection, push to start, power seats, you name it, a ton of room. This again is our 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe, our largest mid-size SUV. A ton of safety features on all three, but we're pulling this one up to show you the size as well. Best warranty, 5 years, 60, new car, 20 years, 200,000 mile powertrain. This is Hyundai Santa Fe. 703-505-1598.